didn't see you there. Hey, you want to learn a cool modeling trick? I bet you do. So, here's my first modeling tip for all the girls. When you have a camera, you want to look at it and you want to bring your lower lid up. So, there's two lids, right? You have your upper lid and you also have your lower lid. And these two eyelids will convey two different things. If you close your upper lid, it can make you look sultry. But it can also make you look sleepy, right? So the key in modeling is to slightly use your lower lid. Close it. So this is me looking at you regularly, and this is me looking at you with a slight edge on the lower lid. It's almost like you're focusing on something, like you're trying to read something from far away, or you're mad. Just pretend you're really mad and you're glaring, and that lower lid will come up. So you can practice making faces at yourself in the mirror or with a camera using that lower lid. And it's really slight, it's just a touch of the lower lid, but it will make your eyes go from looking just like you're staring to like you really mean something with your eyes. So if you look through magazines, you'll notice a lot of models, and they'll have their face in different directions, but they'll be looking intently at the camera, and that's because they're using that lower lid lift. So try it out. Instead, keeping that upper lid up, raising the lower lid a little bit, like a slight squint, and then just change your direction. Lift and lower the chin, turn your head to the side, right? So that's my first tip. I hope you like it.